RHS Pre-Calculus presents Tony Hawk and the Mighty Jump. The goal of this presentation is to show the application of the law of science.
Champion skateboarder Tony Hawk is preparing for the biggest jump of his life.
Yeah, I can't believe I'm doing this.
He needs to know at what angle the ramp is so that he can prepare and make the best jump. He also needs to know the height so he knows how high he is when jumping off the ramp, and the area of the triangular ramp to put up his logo.
And how do I do that?
Well, let's see what we already know. We know that one of the angles is 76 degrees, one of the sides is 21 feet, and the actual ramp is 34 feet.
We know two side lengths and one angle, which classifies it as an SSA triangle. To make it more understandable, we labeled all the angles A, B, and C, and all their opposite sides A, B, and C.
First, we need to find the height. That can be done by doing the simple equation of the formula sine of A equals height over side B. So plugging in the values we already know, sine of 76 degrees equals the height over 21 degrees. At this point, we work backwards. Multiply both sides by 21, and we get h equals 21 times sine of 76 degrees. At this point, plugging that out into the calculator, we get that height equals 20.38 feet.
20.38 feet? I've never jumped that high. I think I'm gonna be sick.
With an SSA triangle, it is possible to have 0, 1, or 2 triangle possibilities. But now that we know that the height is smaller than the two known sides, we know that there is only one triangle possible.
Now we can use the law of sines. A over sine A equals B over sine B.
Plugging in the numbers that we know, 34 over sine of 76 equals 21 over sine B. We can use cross multiplication to get rid of the fractions. 21 times sine 76 equals 34 times sine B. At this point, we can solve for B by dividing both sides by 34. This gives us about 0.6 for sine B. Now to solve for B, find the arc sine of B, which is 36.82 degrees.
Wow, I need a really big protractor.
Now we need to find the area of the whole triangle so that Tony can put up his logo.
To do that, we can use the formula area equals 1/2 AB sine C. We need to find the measure of angle C. That can be done by subtracting the measures of angle A and B from 180, because a triangle has a total angle measure of 180 degrees.
C equals 180 degrees minus 36.82 degrees minus 76 degrees. Therefore, C equals 67.18 degrees.
Plugging this into the formula along with the other variables, we get area equals 1/2 times 34 times 21 times sine of 67.18 degrees. Therefore, the area equals 329.06 feet squared.
Wow, that's a really big logo. Okay, thanks everyone for the help. Now I have to go jump.